Day 59 challenge.
At just 2.8 years old, Rithish names the wonders of the world. Small words, big effort. Not just learning, curiosity, confidence, and pure magic.
Big Felix.
Very good.
Big Ben.
Super.
Big Felix. If it ever live by a leaf,
Okay.
the top,
Super.
Statue of Unity,
Very good.
Hospital,
Super.
Kutupmino,
Very good.
Grand Canyon, Pizza, First Wearing Redeemer,
Oh, super.
Niagara Falls,
Very good.
Narrow Bridge, Statue of Liberty,
Very good.
Taj Mahal, the Ecologium.
Comment wow if you like the video.
The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.